The light of the moon, is it its own light or is it reflected light? The atheist will tell you that previously we thought that the light of the moon was its own light. It was later on when science advanced, we came to know that the light of the moon is not its own light, but rather it is reflected light. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talks regarding the light of the moon in Surah Al-Furqan, chapter number 25, verse number 61. Blessed is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has placed constellations in the sky and has placed sun having its own light and moon having borrowed light. The Arabic word for sun, it is shams. And its light is always described as siraj, wahaj or diya, which means blazing lamp or a blazing torch, a source having light of its own. Moon in Arabic, it is called as qamar, and its light is always described as nur or munir, which means borrowed light or reflected light. Nowhere does the glorious Quran say that the light of the moon, it is its own light. The glorious Quran in fact says that the light of the moon, it is borrowed light, it is reflected light. Who could have mentioned this? The atheist, he will say, maybe your prophet, he was super intelligent. Don't argue with him. Continue.